course.
Well, don't you ever wonder...
Hi, I'm Sarah Darling with Stab. I've got a meeting with the director.
Working on the weekend?
Uh-huh.
Need to see some photo ID.
Sarah Darling.
Look, I want to get something straight. Okay. I only got into this because the police asked for my help.
Why would the police come to you?
Well, I did write the definitive book on the Woodsboro murders.
I'm sure you just can't wait to write another one. But this has all the makings of a bestseller. Celebrity, death, the exploitation of your few remaining friends.
All right, Dewey, look. Nothing to hide. No tape recorder, no camera. Huh?
What's this?
Oh, that's a phone. What about you?
What about me?
Technical advisor, my ass. Look at you. You said you'd never leave Woodsboro.
Well, in that case, I'm going to go dust for fingerprints with Jane Pauley and Connie Chung.
Photos, Wallace, please. Thank you.
Kincaid, come here. Excuse me.
Why don't you go increase your presence around Jennifer? I'm going to go talk to the Teamsters and find out what's really going on.
Where the crap are we going?
Angelina? Are you... How'd you end up way over there?
Tom is in the house. Oh my God, Tom was in the house! Are we safe? Are we safe?
Safe from who?
I was going to the party, damn it. I get there and it's a goddamn bonfire at the Vanities.
Right this way, Mr. Fox.
Then why don't you question me about the OJ murders? I'm sure you guys haven't figured that one out yet.
He doesn't fit the profile. It's procedure. But whoever it is now taking credit for killing Maureen Prescott.
I don't know.
I'm gonna go to the studio. Sydney, I want you to stay here. I'm gonna get an officer to look after you.
Am I a suspect?
Not at the moment.
Am I under arrest?
No.
Then I'm going where you're going. I want to see this place in the pictures.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
All right. Let's go.
We're going to.
Yeah. I'm gonna see. Why?
Tell me that's his ex-girlfriend. I'll shoot myself.
Martha Meek's Randy's sister.
It's Randy's sister.
Yeah, can't you tell?
We miss you in Woodsboro, guys. Martha, what are you doing here?
Yeah, how'd you get on the line?
I snuck on with the game show group. I heard about Cottonweary and the rest. We all have. My mom and dad didn't want me to find you, but I had to, for Randy.
What do you mean for Randy?
There's something you guys should see.
So you staying in town, or?
No, I gotta get back.
Okay. Well, thank you. And be careful and say hi to your folks for me, okay?
You be careful too, Sid.
Crisis Counseling. My name is Laura. How can I help you? Crisis Counseling. My name is Laura. How can I help you? What's your favorite scary movie?
Dave, my mom was an actress or something. Why'd you keep it a secret?
I don't know, Sid. I wish I did.
You know, I'm gonna use the bathroom. Watch the door, would you? I'll be right back.
Wait, Sid. You're not supposed to say that.
Oh, okay, right. I won't be right back. I'll
take my eternal time.
He was in there, I swear, I swear.
What happened? What's going on?
You said the killer was up here? All I see are a bunch of props. I think she's seen one too many movies. That's what I think.
Hey there.
What do you know about trilogies?
You mean like movie trilogies? Why lie?
I do.
What is Slimeball? He's hiding something, I know it. Maureen left Hollywood High. No shit, he's probably stalking her. Horror movies, and normal people don't make horror movies. No kidding. And where'd you guys learn how to investigate? Oh, he's on to you now. He knows what you know. That is so not what my Gail Weathers would have done. My Gail Weathers would have been much smarter. She would have trapped him with cleverness and cunning and wordplay.
Shut up!
Look, we want him to know what we know. That's the whole point.
Yeah.
If he is the killer, he'd be a psycho to go after Sid now, so to speak.
Well, how about that? No cameras, no entourage, and maybe the best reporting you've ever done.
Yeah, well, no badge and no uniform, and maybe your finest police work.
Thank you. Riley here.
Dewey, it's Sydney.
Hey, Sid, I'm with Gail. We're on our way to see you.
No, listen, I'm not at the station. John Milton called the police and said he had something he needed to tell me, something about my mom. I'm gonna go meet him at his house.
I don't think that's such a good idea, Sid.
It's okay. Kincaid is with me. I've got official big-time LAPD protection. But I'd feel better if you were there.
I'm on my way, Sid.
Thanks, Dewey.
See you at 8. Girls, we're going to the party.
So this is the house that horror built.
Don't do that.
Don't tell me what to do.
Hey, Robin. Hi, Jennifer. Did I invite you? Dewey, Gail, or Porter? I didn't invite you. Fuck it. Come in, join the wake for my career.
We're here to see Sydney.
Yeah, Sydney's here.
It's old Hollywood.
Yeah. Could the dude have more money? How the fuck did I end up with scale plus 10 for this flick?
Supposedly, Milton has a secret screening room that was like the scene back in the 70s, you know? It was like drinks and drugs and girls and movies and shit.
Wow. Wish I could have seen it.
Oh, no, you wouldn't want to be a starlet in there. Those parties, you'd be prey. Maybe you'd like that.
Oh, hell, if Milton's not gonna show up on time for my party, I'm gonna go check this place out.
Whoa, 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 just one damn...
I don't like this one bit. Where is Sid?
I must be one desperate dude.
If you were a screening room, where would you be?
Minute?
Or do you?
You're dead.
Oh, don't be so hard on yourself. I don't want them. I want you.
You show yourself, they survive. You run, they die. Will you show yourself to me, Sydney, so I can show yourself to you?
No!
Don't you want to know, Sydney, who killed her? Don't you want to know who killed your mother?
Hey, Smith! Wills, where's our star? Huh? Huh? I get you fucking pizza, this is it!
Hello, Sydney. You look so much like her, Sydney. Same face, same eyes, same fear. I fought hard to get near this movie. I knew it would put me in touch with people, in touch with you. And I knew I could send you to me, a man in a mask. And now that you're here, watch them die.
My other friends watch. Mr. Smith and Mr. Wesson from home. It's your turn to scream, asshole.
Sydney!
How you doing, Sid? Cotton? Some of the guys from back home, huh? Billy's dad? Oh. Yeah. Your boyfriend didn't like seeing his daddy in my film too much. He didn't like it at all. You finally just snapped!
No, the police will figure it out. They'll know it was you.
They don't even know Rena's son exists, and if he did, he'd be 27. Roman Bridger has made sure that the world... Come on, the world knows he's 30. Sydney!
God, why don't you stop your whining and get on with it? I've heard this shit before.
No.
Blame the movies, blame the parents, blame the whole goddamn world but yourself.
Stop!
You know why you kill people, Roman, do you?
Don't want to hear it!
Because you choose to. There is no one else to blame.
God fucking damn it!
Why don't you take some fucking responsibility?
Fuck you! Where is she?
I love you.